guys, welcome back to our channel Wild Taste Buds. I hope you all are doing good. Previously on Wild Taste Buds, we've made a delicious palak paneer recipe. You can check it out right here, guys. Now, for today, we've got an even more tastier yet delicious recipe, okay? Now, this is going to be a very simple one, guys. But most importantly, this is a fusion of Indian and Western culture, okay? I'm gonna show you how to make a sandwich combining both the cultures, both the style of cooking, okay? Now, we're gonna need very simple ingredients for this, guys. So follow me and I'm gonna show you what are the ingredients what we need. So again, here is our rocket stove made by Wild Taste Buds. You can see right here, Wild Taste Buds written here. So these are the simple ingredients what we need for that, okay? We need eggs, we need coriander, we need chili, we need onion, we need some oregano powder. This is a dip you can use after you make a sandwich. Now this is a sauce. Now you don't necessarily need to get this sauce only. You can select any sauce as per your choice, okay? And then we have some Szechuan chutney, and then the most important ingredient, we have the bread, okay? Let us start by boiling our eggs. So we're gonna put water. Hey Krishna.
Hi guys.
So here is the twist. Now this is what I was talking about, the fusion of Western and Indian style of cooking, guys, okay? I'm gonna show you. Perfect. We're gonna take one egg. We're gonna put some onion. We're gonna put some green chili, some coriander leaves in this, and here's our Szechuan chutney. Then a little bit of sauce. Perfect. And then we've got the oregano powder. So everything is in this packet, okay? You're gonna fold this packet like this and start mashing this. Okay, here is the fusion happening, guys. You gotta mash everything into it. Everything. Mash it so perfectly that everything what we put inside should mix perfectly. this is mashed properly, right? So now this has become a fine paste. Now let's layer it on our bread. We're gonna apply some butter on our bread. Perfect. Now here comes the main thing. We're gonna cut this from here. As if you can see, we're gonna pack this with another piece of bread. Apply some butter on top of it. Perfect. Right. Now it's only a matter of packing this and cooking this bread, guys. There is this. Now in order to avoid burning, remove of this excess. Okay, here is a clip it, and this goes on our rocket stove. So cook this as per your choice, okay? If you want it brown, you can roast it more, or if you want it light brown, roast it less, okay? I like it heavy roasted, okay? I want it brown, so I'm gonna make it brown. So guys, if you can see, one side is already roasted. I'm roasting the other side, okay? Plus the advantage is I'm roasting it on the flame as well. How cool is that? So guys, here it is. If you can see how beautifully this is roasted. Now we're going to put this on our tray. Thank you for staying tuned with us, guys. So our product is finally ready, okay? And this is the fusion sandwich. If you can see, look at how lovely this is looking, man. Now, if you like this video, do not leave this page without subscribing to my channel, guys. And hit the like button, leave your comments down below, and share it with your friends. I need your love, guys, okay? Show me some love, and I'm gonna keep coming up more with such recipes. Now, to be honest, I cannot wait to eat this, okay? That this guy Krishna is just not stopping, okay? Now I'm gonna pick one of these. Okay. Cheers, man. It is just next level, guys. Perfect spice, perfect mix of that egg masala what we made inside. It's a perfect Indian and Western style fusion sandwich. Try this, guys. Just like always, our mission here is to show you what we can cook outside and make it tasty. And that is our mission, and that's what we would like to show you here. Cheers, stay home, stay safe.